Good morning, my dear students. Myself Vishal sir. Today we are going to learn about diffusion and Brownian motion. Before going to start this, we will take a look of previous part. In the previous part, we seen introduction of matter. In this introduction of matter, we seen our Indian philosopher says that everything is made up of from Panch Tattva, and they called that five Panch Tattva as a basic element. What are those Panch Tattva? Sky, fire, water, earth, and air. After that, we seen nowadays scientists classified matter on the basis of physical nature of matter and chemical properties of the matter. After that, we seen about physical nature of matter. In the physical nature of matter, we seen the all matters are made up of from small particle, and they gave name to that small particle atom. Secondly, we seen that small particle, it means atoms, are not seen by, or we can't see by naked eyes or simple microscope. But my dear student, I said to you, this small particle we can see with the help of STM. It is a microscope. It shows blurry image of that atom. After that, we seen that these small particles are always in the motion, and this movement of the small particle is totally depend upon the kinetic energy. As soon as they get kinetic energy, the small particles start to move. But my dear students, this kinetic energy is totally depend upon temperature. It means that temperature increases, kinetic energy also increases, and the movement of this particle gets faster. Or we can say that temperature is directly proportional with the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is directly proportional with the moment of the particle. I hope that you recall all these points. Now we will start to our second part. In this second part, we are going to see that diffusion. But before diffusion, we should know that what is Brownian motion. My dear students, this Brownian motion is discovered by Robert Brown in 1858. He says that the zigzag or random path traveled by the particles of matter is called Brownian motion. What he said, zigzag or random path, zigzag or random path traveled by the particles of matter is known as Brownian motion. It means that when the particles are traveling or moving, they moves in random directions. It means it doesn't have definite or fixed direction. They are not moving one direction. They are always moving in the random direction. And due to this reason only, Robert Brown says that the path of this particle is not uniformly, it is random. They are traveling randomly, and that is known as Brownian motion. With the help of image, we can understand these are the particles. Suppose that this particle is moving to this direction. After some time its direction gets changed. After some time its direction gets changed. And you can see this figure. With this figure, we can conclude that the particles not moves in a single direction or in a regular direction. They moves or they travel randomly, and that is known as Brownian motion. I hope that you understood about Brownian motion. Now we will discuss about diffusion. Diffusion means intermixing of particles of two different types of matter on their own is called as diffusion. And this diffusion is happens from higher concentrated concentration to the lower concentration. Diffusion means what? Diffusion means intermixing of particles in each others, but that particles should be from different types of matter. They are mixing by their own, but while they are going to be mixing, at that time they are mixing from higher concentration to the lower concentration. Keep in your mind, diffusion always takes place higher concentration to the lower concentration. I hope that you understood about diffusion. Now, this diffusion is also depend upon the temperature. Why it is depend upon temperature? Because the rate of temperature, because the temperature increases, kinetic energy increases, particle movements also increases. We seen in the previous part. So that moment of the particle increases, it means that the diffusion also takes place fastly. So we can say that the rate of diffusion increases on increasing the temperature of the different substance by heating. I hope that you are getting me. Once again I am repeating this. The rate of diffusion increases on increasing temperature. Rate of diffusion is increasing by increasing of temperature. Okay. And this phenomena is totally, or this process is totally natural process, and this process takes place in solid, liquid and gases. I hope that you understood about diffusion and the Brownian motion. Once again I am repeating this, my dear students, for you. Keep in your mind, Brownian motion is the zigzag or random path traveled by the particles of matter is called as Brownian motion. You can see the figure. After that we seen about diffusion. This diffusion means intermixing of particles of two different types of matters on their own is called diffusion, and this diffusion happens from higher concentration to the lower concentration, and diffusions depends upon the temperature. The rate of diffusion is totally depend upon temperature. Temperature increases, diffusion also increases, and it is totally natural process, and it is takes place in solid, liquid and gas. I hope that you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay home.